Že si sa tam vygrcol. Keby tam boli mimozemšťania v pozadí. Dúfam, že tam nemá spiatočku zaradenú. Nadáva, mal by som ísť asi k nejakému špecialistovi, čo ma to odučí. Troška ich vydráždime. Idem to rýchlo umyť, lebo som špinavý jak čura. Nadáva, mal by som ísť asi k nejakému špecialistovi, čo ma to odučí. Dosť ľudí sa dneska bicykluje. No to je dobré, aspoň ľudia nesedia doma. Zaujímavé auto zastavili. Troška ich vydráždime.
What you ask, is you cool? I'm a bad bitch, I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch, I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch, I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch.
Smerovky záhadne idú po umývaní. To je nejaké čudné. Umýte mám. Idem sa presunúť za Markom. Neskôr sa presunieme za Fekým. Presne sa mi stalo to, čo som nechcel, aby sa mi stalo. Aj keď som si dal sáčok na sedačku, mi to nasalo vodu, mi to tam pretieklo. Či teraz budem mať celú riť mokrú. Zase 23 stupňov, čiže mohlo by to celkom rýchlo vyschnúť. Ale natáča, no. Dúfam, že ten zvuk nebude zdeformovaný, ak keby tam boli mimozemšťania v pozadí. Toho sa celkom obávam. Toto tu čo narobili? Nejaké cyklopruhy a parkovania. Celkom nové. Žiadna zelená vlna do prčic. Na každej križovatke stojím. To je tu zaujímavý úkaz. Neviem ani čo je cesta, čo je cyklocesta, nejaký úzky pruh. Som išiel 50 a stihol som to. Ešte by som si išiel zobrať pitie. Natankovať by som mal ísť. Utekaj. To čo odsúva? Dúfam, že tam nemá spiatočku zaradenú. Jak mu podozrivo svietilo to svetlo. Čo to je?
Jaj, už viem. Nadrbaný vo štvrtok som došiel na obed domov a jeblaný tu s Pepsinou.
Ja, že si sa tam vygrcol. Počúvaj, poďme niekde na prístavnú alebo tam. A čo, alebo kam chceš ísť? A tam dáme nejakú pauzu alebo niečo.
Okay. Mental. Okay. Alright. I'm warm but I can be distant. Immigrant child just doing it different. Not like them, I bring the wisdom. Yeah, no manager, no assistant. I'm still your favourite MC's favourite rapper. That's why I deal with chatter. MC barring, lyrical matter. Grew up in London, sausage and batter. Looking all baff like yo, he's got the street money, he's got the dough. How you gonna MC, got no flow though? How you gonna compete here with your bro? Somehow your writing comes from a ghost. Don't really know about them ones, no. I keep it moving, eyes on the goals. Always, I do me, they're doing the most. Life is mad, life is rough. Yeah, never I'm getting on with stuff. Project plan blinding, never be enough. When you're coming from another planet, it can be tough. But we move, transform the music, making a movie, tap into the jungle. Half of these pussy hoes couldn't even handle. Heart on my sleeve like a bangle. People the pain and family shambles. When I come for the beat, I ambush. When I come for the bars, I ambush. And I told you about them angles, making them drip like wax in a candle, making them rip like bottom of the sandal. Yes, I'm a cut from a different cloth. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
From the mud that we came, but we shining. I'm saying, oh yeah.
Yeah, we came from the mud, oh yeah. Never done with the talk, oh yeah. And we came from the mud, oh yeah. Never done with the talk, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'ma make that flip, don't care. I'ma make that flip, don't care. I'ma make that flip, don't care.
Oh yeah. Oh
I'ma came from the mud, oh yeah. Never done with the talk, oh there, oh there.
Who you wanna be, tryna be like me? I ain't been broke since 2018. Just woke up, still living my dream. Got big plan, I keep big scheme. I ain't too worried about no hoes, no new car, no chain, no clothes. I'm too focused on all my goals. Out my way, somewhere to go. I've been in my feelings, my center piece, it was under attack. I quit all the drinking, I quit all the smoking, I'm bringing it back. You thinking it's cap, but really it's facts. They thought I would lose it, they thought I would lost, but I found me a map. Get them a map or something. These boys tryna rap or something. These boys tryna act or something. Only thing I hear is capping from them. They ain't really been asking nothing, so nobody get a pass or nothing. Nobody get a pass from me. Oh, you think that we're the same cause we both rhyme words. You ain't in the same class as me. Got the same CAC as me? Make the same cash as me? I'm numero uno, I've been number one. If you go asking me, I tell you it's facts. You tell me it's cap.
Just maybe relax, just maybe relax, just maybe relax.
From the mud that we came, but we shining. I'm saying, oh yeah. Looking up to the stars till they blinded. I'm saying, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.